This line chart gives information about annual library borrowing trends. From the picture, we can see the value of 2016 is 100,000. In 2015, the number is higher, which is 120,000. The highest point is in 2014, around 140,000, and the lowest one is in 2011, just 63,000. There are also many other years, from 2010 to 2020. To sum up, the graph tells about annual library borrowing trends. This pie chart gives information about nutritional composition of food. From the picture, we can see the share of protein is 10.7%. For minerals, the percentage is higher, which is 28%. The highest number is for vitamins, around 33.3%, and the lowest proportion is for carbohydrates, just 8%. There are also many other nutritional types, such as fats and fiber. To sum up, the graph tells about nutritional composition of food. This pie chart gives information about national energy usage structure. From the picture, we can see the share of hydro is 7.7%. For natural gas, the percentage is higher, which is 11%. The highest proportion is for renewables, around 33%, and the lowest one is for oil, just 6.6%. There are also many other energy types, such as nuclear and coal. To sum up, the graph tells about national energy usage structure. This pie chart gives information about movie genre preferences. From the picture, we can see the share of animation for teens is 18%. For teens, the percentage of action is higher, which is 20%. The highest proportion for adults is of action, around 27.3%. And the lowest one for adults is of documentary, just 11.4%. There are also many other genres, such as drama and romance. To sum up, the graph tells about movie genre preferences. This bar chart gives information about beverage consumption volumes. From the picture, we can see the value for milk is 120. For tea, the number is higher, which is 170. The highest amount is for juice, around 180, and the lowest one is for coffee, just 52. There are also many other beverages, such as soda and water. To sum up, the graph tells about beverage consumption. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.